Starting your indoor plant journey? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you some of the best low-maintenance indoor plants that are absolutely perfect for beginners. Whether you've got a busy schedule or you're a little nervous about keeping plants alive, these beauties will make your home greener without adding any stress. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's jump into it. 1. Snake plant, Sanseria. First up is the snake plant, sometimes called mother-in-law's tongue. It's one of the toughest plants you can own. Snake plants thrive on neglect. They love low light, don't mind if you forget to water them for weeks, and they actually help clean the air in your home. Their upright, sword-like leaves look super modern too. Whether you place it in a corner or by a sunny window, it just does its thing without needing much from you. 2. ZZ plant, Zamiakulka zamifolia. Next is the ZZ plant, a true hero for anyone who forgets about their plants. It's got these beautiful, glossy leaves that almost look fake because they're so shiny. ZZ plants tolerate low light, occasional drought, and still manage to look stunning all year round. They grow slowly, but that just means less maintenance. It's a classy, sculptural plant that instantly makes any room feel a little more polished. 3. Pothos, Epipremnum Orium. Pothos is honestly a beginner's best friend. This vining plant grows quickly, and it's super forgiving if you miss a watering or two. You can let it trail from shelves, grow it up a moss pole, or even let it climb walls. It loves bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light as well. Plus, Pothos comes in lots of beautiful varieties, like golden, marble queen, and neon. So you can pick the one that fits your style. 4. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. If you dream of having flowers indoors, look no further than the peace lily. It's famous for its elegant white blooms and shiny green leaves. A neat thing about peace lilies is that they tell you when they're thirsty. Their leaves will droop, and as soon as you water them, they perk right back up. They prefer low to medium light and don't like sitting in soggy soil, so a little attention now and then goes a long way. 5. Spider plant, Chlorophyum Commosum. Spider plants are fun, lively, and super easy to grow. They thrive in bright, indirect light, but aren't too picky. Their long, arching leaves look playful, and they even send out little spiderettes that you can snip off and grow into new plants. It's a perfect plant if you love the idea of expanding your indoor jungle without spending extra money. 6. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema. Chinese evergreens are simply gorgeous. Their leaves come in so many beautiful patterns. Some are green with silver. Others have splashes of pink or red. They're slow growers, which means they're low maintenance, and they tolerate low light and irregular watering. It's one of those plants that just quietly brightens up a room without ever asking for much. 7. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elatior. The cast iron plant gets its name because it's practically unkillable. It can survive deep shade, long periods without water, and even big temperature swings. Its broad, dark green leaves give a cozy, old-fashioned charm to any space. This plant is a perfect choice if you want something super low effort that still looks elegant and full. 8. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plants are beautiful statement pieces for your home. They have these big, glossy leaves that come in deep green, burgundy, or even variegated varieties. Rubber plants love bright, indirect light, but are very forgiving. Let the top inch of soil dry out between waterings, and it'll reward you with steady, healthy growth. Plus, it's fun to watch them grow taller over time. 9. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera isn't just a beautiful succulent, it's also a handy one. Snap off a leaf and you've got fresh aloe gel for sunburns or skincare. Aloe plants thrive in bright sunlight and need very little water, especially in winter. Their chunky, spiky leaves are perfect for a sunny windowsill, and they practically take care of themselves if you give them good drainage. 10. Heartleaf Philodendrin. Philodendron heteroecium. Heartleaf philodendrin is a lovely trailing plant with adorable, heart-shaped leaves. It's tough and adaptable, growing happily in low, medium, or bright indirect light. It's one of those plants that grows lush and full even if you don't fuss over it. You can let it hang down from a shelf or train it to climb. Either way, it's a cheerful and easygoing houseplant. 11. Lucky Bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. Lucky bamboo is a symbol of good fortune, and it's one of the easiest plants to care for. It can grow in just water or soil and only needs low, indirect light. You can even twist and shape the stems into spirals if you want to get creative. It's a beautiful and meaningful plant to add to your collection, especially for small spaces. 12. Jade Plant, Crassula ovata. The jade plant is a sweet, slow-growing succulent that's almost like having a miniature tree indoors. Its thick, round leaves store water, so it only needs watering once the soil dries out completely. Place it in a sunny spot, and it'll reward you with strong, steady growth, and maybe even tiny pinkish-white flowers if you're lucky. 13. Ponytail Palm, Bocarnea recurvata. Don't let the name fool you. The ponytail palm isn't a true palm, but it is incredibly easygoing. It stores water in its thick base, meaning you can sometimes go weeks without watering it. It loves bright light and adds a whimsical, almost Dr. Seuss-like look with its cascading leaves. A fun and unique addition to your plant family. 14. Dumb Cane, Dieffenbachia. Dumb cane is a bold and beautiful plant with wide, variegated leaves that can light up even the darkest corner. It's pretty forgiving. Just keep it out of direct sun and water it when the topsoil dries out. It grows steadily, with minimal effort, making it a great confidence booster for plant beginners. 15. Dracaena marginata, Dragon Tree. And last but not least, the dragon tree. It has long, slender leaves with a pop of red on the edges, and it instantly gives a cool, tropical feel to any room. It's a slow grower that loves bright, filtered light and needs watering only when the soil dries out. Easy to care for, stylish, and very beginner-friendly. And there you have it. 15 beautiful, low-maintenance plants that anyone can grow. Even if you start with just one, you're already making your home a happier, healthier place. Remember, you don't have to be a plant expert to enjoy the joy of greenery. Just a little care, a little love, and your plants and your confidence will grow right along with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and share your favorite beginner plant in the comments below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and happy planting!